Hey everyone, this is Rosario. So it came up at our last team meeting. Missing assignments are an issue in the seventh grade class, and I talked about how I send out missing assignment emails every week to parents. And then it kind of came up that we haven't had an Infinite Campus training in a while. So with all the new staff or even our older staff, we might not remember how to send out those. So in Infinite Campus, we have all these tools on the side, and then one of them is our message center. So if we go to a new message, we have three options in here. So the first one is class message. So you can go in here and type a message and send it to your class. As you can see here, I usually title mine with Mr. Molo so they know where it's coming from, and then the grade and then kind of the subject. The parents don't really get anything after that, so it's important to kind of put your name and the subject in there and the grade. This way, if they have multiple kids in the district, they're getting that. So after you type your message, the class message is really nice. You can just go in and kind of select all your classes. So if you're one of those lucky teachers that just has one class, you can just select all of your classes and send out your class message. So I just actually ended up sending one out. We have a quiz coming out on Wednesday. So sent a message, hey, parents and kids, we have a quiz coming up. So did it to my 4 algebra classes. So down here, you can either send it to student messaging contact, so the parent or guardian that's in Infinite Campus, and you can also send it to the students. So then the students will get it too. And then it's just the simple button of click next, and then you would hit send. You can also review who's getting it as well. And then the other kind of messages in here are a grades message. And this one kind of has just a blanket message down at the bottom that your student, and then it'll fill it in for you, has earned a grade in this course. So maybe halfway through the year, I'll send these out, or through a quarter, send them out, let them know where their child is standing. This one is a little different, so you'd actually have to go into each class and send it out. You just can't send out one and hit all your classes. So, and then make sure that you're also selecting the correct term. So since we're now in quarter 2, I'd want to select, quarter 2 first hour. And would send that out, and then same thing next, and you could see all the recipients. And then the last one is the missing assignment ones. And it's kind of the same thing as the grade message. It's a blanket message, and then it'll get filled in. So your student has the following missing assignments, and then it would list all those missing assignments there. And then also, this is one that you would have to send out per class then. So again, make sure since we're in quarter 2, you would select the quarter 2 class. And then down here, you would select, maybe you just want to do the most recent stuff. So just the chapter, 4 things down here. So you can kind of select all the things that are there. I usually just select everything. Whoops. And then down here, it's important to select the allow repeat messages. So if a student is missing, the 3-1 homework assignment, I send out an email that it's missing. If I don't click allow repeat messages, then the next time I send that email, it won't send out the 3-1 message again because I already sent it out. So it's important, if a student still hasn't done that homework, that the parent still knows. So you want to hit that allow repeat messages. Otherwise, it would just show the most recent missing assignments instead of all the missing assignments. And then same thing, you can click next. It'll tell you how many parents are receiving it and things like that. And again, you can review who is seeing it. I typically send these out over the weekend. I try to send them out Friday after school, but that doesn't always happen. So then this way, once my grade book is up to date, everything just goes out. And it takes 15 seconds per class. So it's a good way to keep parents involved in what their child is doing in your class.